everyone, I'm Carol E. with the unretireddesigner.com. I'm really excited to be taking part in my first Christmas and Decor challenge hosted by Christina of the DIY Mummy. I'd like to show you how to decorate a glam sideboard or buffet, and I'm going to use principles of symmetry and put a focal point in the center. This is really the easiest way to decorate a flat surface. Now the first thing I have to do is raise up one of the trees to more closely match the height of the one on the other side. So how I'm going to do that is I've placed a glass bowl here, and I'm going to put a rubber mat over top of it to keep the tree from slipping off. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be weaving lights throughout the display so that it lights up at night when the dining room is going to be used the most often. Now I'm going to start placing the other trees. Next, I'm going to start placing the reindeer. They're acrylic reindeer. I'm going for a sort of winter wonderland look. So the big ones are the focal points. And I bought these a few years ago. They're from the Brian Glutstein collection. The rest of the reindeer I pretty much picked up from HomeSense. The other thing I do as I go along is I place crystals on the runner to help reflect the light. I also have smaller crystals I place amongst the bigger ones to help fill in the blank spaces. So I didn't want to bore you putting the last of the crystals down, and I put the last reindeer in. I've turned the lights on, but I'm disappointed to see they don't show up very well in the video, so I'm going to be placing a picture at the end of the video later on in the evening so you can see how the lights glow through the reindeer and the crystals. I hope this will give you some ideas on how to decorate your own sideboard or console table. Please subscribe to my channel, theunretireddesigner.com. I will be doing videos once a week on home decor, DIY, and home organization. Remember, everybody deserves to smile when they walk into their home.